Hello viewers, today we have we have Percy. They are not just regular Thomas. They are not regular Thomas, look at this. Let me go ahead and unbox it. Look at this at the back of Percy. So let me go ahead and take Percy out of the packet here. Whoa, look at this. Cool. Percy, it has some built-in sound as well. You can see both Thomas and Percy. So let's go ahead and race them. Now you can see even better. We're gonna race them. We're gonna 1, 2. Whoa. We're activating Percy and Thomas together. Let's see what happens. We're now letting them go together. Percy and here is Thomas. Looks like both of them won. So let's go ahead and try again. So Percy came straight, Thomas went a different direction. Both of them did pretty awesome. How about James? Let's go ahead and try James. Here you can see James. Time to unbox James. Alright, let's go ahead and take James out of the box. Whoa. Yay! Cool. Look at this awesome James. Number 5, red bright engine of solar. I have noticed that their faces are different, very cute. Number 6, Percy. Number 5, James. Number 1, Thomas. Look at Thomas. Put it back and let go. There goes James. Look at this, James in action. We're gonna try both James and Percy together. Let's see what happens. Oh, Percy's going fast. Faster than James. Oh, James is here. Thomas, Percy, and James. How cute they all look. Today we also have 3 surprises here. So let's go ahead and open these surprises. You can open it, you can show it. Look at this. So this is a car. Look how fun it is. Oh, look. Can you guess who it is? That's a Disney Cars Lightning McQueen. Oh. Yep, McQueen. Alright, after McQueen, let's go ahead and check who it is. Oh, that's Herald. Look at this now. That's Herald of Thomas and Friends. And check this out. That's Herald of Thomas and Friends. So you got Herald here. Sorry, it's Birdie the Bus of Thomas and Friends. Here joins Herald of Thomas and Friends. And McQueen of Disney Cars. And today we have a fast Disney Cars McQueen. It's a pullback and go. That's how fast this McQueen is. Look at the speedy wheels. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and check out our